For moisturizing and symptom relief, this device uses microparticles for respiratory relief, for nebulization. Low noise level. You can use this for children and elderly. You can see that it is USB powered and has a long battery life. It is super compact and perfect for in the office and on the go. The car, take this on your travels, use it in the hotel room because it's super quiet. There's 2 different size masks, or you can just use the mouthpiece. Easy to take apart and clean. I'll link this below in case you want to try one.